good morning. Today we're doing Mercedes E220d, and the chassis number of this car is W238. And the problem of this one is customer complaining about when you put in drive, like you can see here, car start, and you can see here when you put in drive, it goes in drive and come back to the neutral. Then we're going to try to reverse. It's going in a reverse, but when I'm going to neutral and putting in a D, and it's come back. Did you see? It's gonna be D3, not going in a D1. So I want to put in a back, and then I am gonna try again. Is go to D3. Then I'm gonna put in a P, put in a reverse, put in a P, and then I am trying to D. It's gonna go straight away D3. This is the problem of that customer is complaining, and I am gonna show you what code is coming on this. If you can see here, this is the ECU information on there. This is the hardware part number on there. We have to go in a code, then you can see what code is coming. You can see here 0P073E00. Reverse gear cannot be engaged. That code is coming. I want to try to erase the code, and you can see code is gone. So now we're gonna try. It still is in D3. We have to switch it off and switch it on, and then we'll go to the D1, and then you can drive. This is the problem. If you have the problem of like that, you can contact me. My phone number is 0740 2536 We are in Hounslow. Postcode is Hounslow Motors Ltd, TW3 Tango 167 Hanworth Rd. So you have the problem of like that on this Mercedes, so you can call me. We can sort it out in the same day, and you can see my review as well. So if you have the problem of like that, you can send me the message on WhatsApp, email, or you can call me. Sometime my phone signal is not on that place, so it's saying switch off, but you can send me the message on WhatsApp. I will come back to you. Thanks for watching my video. My name is Terry. You can call me and we can solve your problem. Thanks. Bye.